We have a group within the Complex Systems Center. I work with Chris Danforth. We've been at this for over 10 years now, and we both came here in 2006 to UVM. We've had our nice funding sources. We would love to have more. So people have done all sorts of cool things. They've gone off to great jobs in industry. Some have gone off to academia, and they're just a really fantastic group of people, and we're always thrilled to see them succeed and move on and do all sorts of amazing things. So, and we keep in contact with them, and try to help them as much as we can, and essentially they help us by doing all the things they've done. All right, it's true. We do have a Strava story team thing. Okay, so you could read some more. This was a nice piece about Chris, myself, and our team, Computational Story Lab, and appeared in Outside magazine of all places. But it's fun, and so I'm just going to throw that up there. We together have a number of courses. Of course, I've mentioned principles of complex systems, complex networks. I do teach linear algebra when I can. It's not every year, unfortunately, but because it's the one of the great courses. So there's linear algebra here. We don't need to do that. We're getting used to the objects here. And then Chris has numerical analysis. Danforth has this. Chaos, which this is really an important part of understanding systems, right? So this really dynamical systems is the piece here. This is chaos and fractals. These are mathematicians trying to lure people in to do fun things. It worked. Anyway, we're kind of moving on there. ODEs, these are all just, so there's some good sort of basic stuff in here, right? Good nutritional knowledge, and that enables you to understand the world, and then some of these sort of larger things. So lots of papers have come out of particularly my courses, in the sense that projects that people have been involved in have been connected to them. It's much more than 45 now. And I've sort of lost track of how to count that. I think I need to kind of revisit that. It might be 60 or 70. So that doesn't mean I have, there are 10 papers a semester. It's usually sort of really kind of 1 or 2 eventually, but some of that work can lead to all sorts of other things as well. So it's something to aspire to, especially if you're a graduate student, but also an undergrad. Okay.